welcome back to a brand new video. So today is early on Monday, so it's Bank Holiday Monday. We'll go out early just to see what the town is like after the farmers have all gone back. So it was the farmers AGM and they all started to arrive Friday, so we're going to have a bit of a walk in town just to see how clean the town is and what state the farmers have left it in. So come and join me and let's get going. Just see, look, all these bins probably rammed full with drink bottles and all sorts from the farmers' weekend. So he's going to have a bit of a walk up near Pop World and around town, just to have a look what it's like and how clean it is on this very, very early Monday morning. So you can see we've got walkabout straight ahead, and this was absolutely heaving before. On farmers' weekend you couldn't walk down here. So like I said, this is just near walkabout, and you see we've got a discarded clothing there. You can see the cleaners are already on the job. Look at that. So they've started nice and early, which is fantastic. You see the cleaner there as well. So this actually street looks quite clean, to be honest. So it looks like the road sweepers have been down, and there's obviously taken all the loose rubbish away and everything. So we'll just have a bit of a walk up as well. So you can see they've done a pretty good job. There's no rubbish lines, obviously a few little odd cans and things. So I'd imagine like the main sort of vehicle has been down and cleaned it all. I mean, just look at all that. You can see that's all from the weekend, probably and more as well. What a difference it is, like a one-horse town at the moment today. So you've got another road sweeper there gone by, so the council are certainly on the job. But at the moment, as you can see, it's absolutely quiet. So I'm just going to have a bit of a walk near Yates and Brannigan's. This is like the, not on the Promenade side, like the other side. So you can see the streets are really quiet as well, and looks like it's nice and clean as well. So we're just going to cross over here. It's actually quite misty this morning as well. So yeah, it's like a one-horse town today. I wonder what today will bring after all the farmers have, or the majority have gone back. So you can see there's so much rubbish waiting to be oh, there's the Revolution, the doors are open there, and just look at all this one. That's some carrier bags there, isn't it? So we're just heading on to Old Bank Street, and you see the window cleaners are out. What's this? Spud Coast. Oh, is it a window cleaner? Yeah, it looks like it's the window cleaner there as well. Strange working on a bank holiday. Yeah. So we're going to branch off and do a right, pop onto the promenade, and have a look and see what it's like on the promenade. And at least Elmer the elephant has kept safe and survived this one. So I'm just going to have a bit of a stroll up towards North Pier. So this is on the promenade side. So let's have a look what the promenade is like. So I've seen quite a few street cleaners out. I did go out, I must confess, I did go out yesterday as well, bright and early. And I got back, and unfortunately I deleted all the clips which I got off the memory card. So I was a bit sort of a bit annoyed with that, but I thought I'd come back out again. So it was very similar yesterday, what we've seen today. And the council, I saw a lot more people actually cleaning the streets and everything yesterday. So obviously it's probably even worse yesterday. But nevertheless, we popped out again today, just to have a quick look around town. Now the farmers have, well, the majority, like I said, have completely departed. So I was going to have a look near Shannigan's and up the Promenade way as well. So as we approach Shannigan's and Yates and everything, you can see how lovely and clean the promenade side is. So they've done a fantastic job. I'll just show you this. I mean, this little alley there, West Street, so they're getting a delivery there, ready for another busy trade. Probably not as busy as the weekend, but the alley was, West Street shall I say, was absolutely heaving for the last 3 days. So you know, Shannigan's as well as queuing outside, and Yates as well. So you can see it's lovely and clean. You know, the odd drinks bottle or something like that, but nothing really to write home about. And I videoed this yesterday, so I'll just show you. So it's smashed glass, but I'm not putting this down to the young farmers, because I think that's been damaged for quite a while, and they just haven't moved it. So you can see, you know, they've actually done quite a good job, the council. I mean, inside you see the bits of litter and things like that, but that's actually obviously, that one's just opposite the Turtle Bay. So that's obviously down to them. I'm not too sure what's happened here. I don't know about that, but that's been either completely pushed over or ripped out. So I'm not too sure what that's all about. Look at this. it is just like a one-horse town. It's just so quiet and so dead at the moment. And you can see old Dolly Perkins survived another year, so which is fantastic. And you can see they're already getting the bins emptied. Look at that one. So we walked past literally about 15 minutes ago, and you see they're already on the job. Look at that. You see straight ahead, the street cleaners are already on this area. So I think, like I said, the main truck, I'll just show you up there. So the main truck has already been out, and now they're getting the ones by hand, just picking the bits up on the side and things. So that is the end of today's video. So it's only a little short video, just to see what it was like after Farmers Weekend 2024. So, in my opinion, they treated the town well. It was very, very good for the local businesses and things like that. So, yeah, all credit to them, and also credit to Blackpool Council for doing a very quick clean-up before the locals and tourists do come to visit Blackpool. So, until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.